Building on success is exactly as topical as it can be. We've had two stellar years. 2024 and 2025 have been great in terms of M&A activity. And the challenge now is to ensure that this is sustainable and we're not just going to have a big peak and then go back to pre-crisis levels. So in that context, what we talked about this morning was that there's a lot of stability, government stability. There were a number of times where the mention of boring was heard, and that's actually a good thing for Greece because it gives investors who've been burnt in the past some calm and confidence in the market. And it also helps when international investors see big players coming into Greece. That also helps them feel more at ease with the environment in the Greek economy. The panel was on Greek debt capital markets, and 2025 was a record year for that. The key takeaways was, first of all, that there is a lot of corporate issuance, and there's breadth in that corporate issuance. We had representation from Lambda and PPC, who talked about how they've used the debt capital markets in order to finance their needs for flagship projects such as the Ellinikon. The second key point was banks' peak activity in terms of MREL issuance, for example. And this is not just by the systemic banks, but also by the smaller banks with inaugural deals. And the third kind of pillar was looking ahead at 2026, where there is a lot of promise that the Greek debt capital markets activity will continue.